Well, we're thinking a lot about money these days. Investing in cryptocurrency is a whole new level of confusing for a lot of us, but maybe it is for you too. So we asked an expert to shed light on the new developments in Bitcoin that can help make you have better investment decisions. Here's Claudia's chat with John Hoffman from Grayscale Investments.
John, it's a good thing we have you this morning because I'll be honest, I am like completely in the dark when it comes to investing in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Can you touch on that and exactly what it is?
Yeah, you know what, Claudia, we hear this pretty commonly, that people are confused by it, but 52 million people, Americans, own crypto today. So Bitcoin is a digital technology that can be used to send money to anyone in the world at any point in time without an intermediary. And we live in this digital world, so you could think of Bitcoin as a digital gold or a digital store of value, or again, a digital currency that can be sent to anyone at any point in time, just like you send or receive an email.
That simple, huh? Wow.
That's
Okay,
simple, yep.
that is remarkable. Now, what is a spot Bitcoin ETF?
That's a lot of financial jargon, so we'll break that down into three things here. So we'll start with the first, spot. Spot refers to the current market price, so that's spot. Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency, so there's over $1 trillion in Bitcoin. And then the third was ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund. So that's a pooled investment vehicle that trades on an exchange just like a stock. And so when you put those three things together, spot, Bitcoin, ETFs, they came to market about a month and a half ago and have made it easier, simpler, more convenient to invest in Bitcoin directly from your brokerage account. So again, you can now buy or invest in something like GBTC, which is a spot Bitcoin ETF, which gives you the exposure to Bitcoin or the investment in Bitcoin.
Okay, now let me ask you this, John. Why do you think there are benefits, to having this kind of investment in your portfolio?
So today, people are thinking about two things here. One is performance. So over the last decade, again, looking backward, Bitcoin has been the best performing asset in the world. So there's investors that are thinking about this from a performance standpoint. And then the second is really about diversification. So again, another fancy financial term here that is really about Bitcoin behaves differently. It has different return historically than stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities. And so those are the two main reasons people are thinking about investing in Bitcoin today: the performance potential and the diversification potential. Those are the two things that people are thinking about. It's been a volatile asset class, which means, again, prices go up and down. And so we think about small parts of the portfolio having this investment.
And I got to be honest with you, I hear about it all the time, and it's becoming more and more present for me, at least every day. I just see it. I hear friends talk about it. Now, share your basic rules for someone who's looking to invest in Bitcoin and still doesn't know a lot about it.
Yeah, so Bitcoin is now 15 years old. So it is been in the market for since 2009. The network is getting bigger and bigger. So more and more people are investing in Bitcoin, but it's still very early. It's a global technology. So the rules that I would think about: one, this is a volatile asset class. The price can go up and down very quickly. So you need to think about long time horizons. That's the first rule, long time horizons. The second is about sizing, which means, again, this should not be your whole portfolio. This should be a very small part of your portfolio. And we always recommend to work with a financial professional as you're developing a strategy for investing more broadly. But again, long-term, a small part of the portfolio, and work with a financial professional.
Okay, all good advice. So interesting. Now, John, for someone who's interested in learning more, what's the best way to do that?
We invite you to visit www.grayscale.com. That's GRAY scale.com. You can learn more about GBTC, which is the world's largest Bitcoin ETF. You can also learn more about cryptocurrency and the products that we offer there. www.grayscale.com.
John, thank you so much for your time today and for clearing a few things up for us who are super interested in learning more about this.
Well, you can learn more about investing in crypto and make sure you're working with trusted and informed advisors. One place to start is grayscale.com.